Captain, the city is secured, but there is no sign of Sarush.
And we have to look further.
Phoebus!
Zephyr's gone after Sarush.
I've looked everywhere.
I've got men all over the city. We'll find him.
You're looking in all the wrong places. Sarush has made a living from illusion, but I can outthink him. It's the same as the disappearing elephant. There was always a tunnel under the stage. He's taken the bell underground.
The catacombs. He could be using the catacombs.
And she could be saying exactly what Sarush wants her to. We go underground and he slips right out of town. Can't you see?
Listen to me. Your son's life is at stake. Maybe you should look again. Like you did with me.
All right, but she's coming along as a prisoner.
Jolly. Where's Zephyr? Hurry, Jolly. Take us to him.
Which will go better with my eyes? Diamonds or sapphires?
Sarush!